Hey no babes, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be going ahead and unboxing / reviewing the Melody Susie nail dust collector, and I'm really excited to be going ahead and opening it. And as you can see, I do have my nails on. I do have both hands did, and I will be going ahead and removing both, obviously with e-files to debulk them. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and showing you guys how the nail dust performs. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and nail videos. Like I said, here in this video I will be going ahead and showing you guys how it works. And also, if you guys are new here, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And also do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media as well as any of my latest videos. So let's get on to unboxing it, and I will be going in with my vintage scissors. So let's see what it's looking like. I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. I've never ever used a dust collector. I've never owned one, so I'm really excited to go ahead and try this one out from them. I have heard good things about Melody Susie's nail dust collector, so I cannot wait to open this one. So as you can see, this is what it looks like once you open it. It's a really big box, as you can see as well. This is what it looks like. So I am going to be going ahead and taking out the box from the box. So as you can see, this is her right here. This is what the packaging looks like and what the box looks like. So it is a pink box with black and white, and here it does say that it is a dust collector. Here's what the front looks like with their website, which I will also make sure to link down below, so make sure to go check that out. And then here in the back, it also does contain the website again, where from, as well as their email if anybody's interested. So also, as you can see here, based on the model, and the rated power is 24 watts. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it. So it is going to be opening. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. So as you can see, it does come with a user manual about the nail dust collector in English right here. As you can see, it has like all the cautions, the instructions before using it, how to use it, the maintenance of it, and as you can see here, it says steps on how to use it in case you guys have any problems. That is perfect. And also labels like where everything is at, the specifications, the warranty you could get on it, as well as service. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So first thing, as you can see, it also has a picture of like what goes where and such for the filter, how to turn it on, how to plug it in, I guess, the modes on it. So step 1 says connect the power supply with the power control device in the DC socket. Turn on the device. Choose the required mode, high or low, to start working. Press on and off to turn off the device and unplug it, obviously, if you're not going to use it. So as you can see, it's pink. This here, as you can see, so here we have the cord, and this is actual nail dust collector, as you can see. So I'm really excited to be going ahead and using it. So as you can see, it's pink. It is pretty big as well. As you can see, it's pretty big, but as you can see, this is what it looks like, and I cannot wait to use it. So I kind of want to like mess with it. So as you can see, this lifts up, and this right here, I'm guessing, yeah, this is the filter. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna just plop that back in, as you can see. And then yeah, so here on the back, again, the type it is, input, the voltage, the power that it contains. And here, as you can see on the side, is where you connect it and you turn it on right here. So it has on button and then high or low. So I will be going ahead and plugging her in. Also, as you can see, it is a pretty long cord, so I love that as well. So I'm going to be going ahead and plugging her in. So first thing I am going to be going ahead and doing is turning it on. So it's on, it's going, that's what it sounds like. She is pretty loud, and I can definitely tell that it's sucking it in. Like it'll stay on there, as you can see. Like, as y'all can see, like it definitely sucks it up. So hopefully you guys could hear me. I'm gonna go to the low one to see what that sounds like. And I feel like the noise isn't that bad, so I like it. Press the off button, and as you can see, it's shut off. So I will be going ahead and first starting off by removing my bling and cutting them down, and then I will be going ahead and start to e-file them so that way you guys could hear it actually suctioning the air and seeing it.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese.
As you can see, I did go ahead and remove most of my crystals as well as cut them down. So I will also be going in with my Melody Susie Sparkle Pro rechargeable nail drill. This is my holy girl. As you can see, she's like beat up. We need to get a new one, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I will be going in with the extra coarse drill bit, flat top, as you could see, and I will be going ahead and start to debulk my nails so that way I could get ready for a soak off. So I will be going ahead and doing that and see how the duster does. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go at the highest speed, and I don't know, I think I should probably remove the nails, but I don't know, we're gonna see. I believe that one, yeah, that's the highest speed. So I will be going ahead and starting.
Bottom sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She whacks it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors, Ari Kari. Look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh. Look at me now, yeah. Fresh, oh. Look at the gorilla, cause I'm feeling every bit I can try to be on my. Better cut your chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she accidentally slipping all on my. Oops, I said, oh my. I ain't really mean to say oh my. But since we talking about my, all of you here to say hi to me, I'm done.
So as you can see, so far I feel like it's doing good. Hopefully you guys could hear me, because I am also wearing a mask, so it might be hard, but I did do it to a lower setting. I am going ahead and trim them down as much as I can.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She whacks it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide.
So I'm gonna go back to the highest setting. So if it goes.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She whacks it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors, Ari Kari. Look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh. Look at me now, yeah. Fresh, oh. Look bigger than gorilla, cause I'm feeling every bit I can try to be on my. Better cut your chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she accidentally slipping all on my. Oops, I said, oh my. I ain't really mean to say oh my. But since we talking about my, all of you here to say hi to me, I'm done.
Hell, Breezy, let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! 'Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away.
So I did go ahead and turn it off. Now, what I will say is it definitely does suck up the dust. I definitely do see a difference. And also, as you can see, I don't have that much dust on me just besides here. But I really do feel like it does make a difference. Now, obviously, as you can see, it didn't suck up these big pieces, but I definitely do see a lot of dust in here, and most of the big pieces are in here, as you can see. So I definitely see a difference, especially right here turning it. I don't want to quite turn it. You can see it's mostly just big pieces, and if I turn it, a couple of them fall out, but most of the big pieces are in here. So I definitely do love that. I cannot wait to keep trying it and letting you guys know more details in any of my Watch Me works, so make sure to stay tuned for those. But I will be going ahead and debulking the rest and soaking them off and seeing how well it does with removing my nails.
I gotta get away, better know that I don't and I won't ever stop, 'cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me, just know that you wanna.
Okay, so as you can see, I did already soak off my nails. I did try to get most of the product off, but you guys get the gist. So as you can see here, we have the Melody Susie dust collector, and overall I absolutely loved it to remove whenever I'm removing the acrylic. It does really suck up, as you can see, all of the dust and all these chunks, as you can see, like, and you see, like, for the most part everything is in the filter, just, you know, a little bit. I don't know if I have to clean it out now, but you guys get the gist. So, and also I do like that the filters, they are a pretty big size, so it does obviously, as you can see, take up mostly the whole, obviously the whole fan. So I really love that. And as well, I love how minimalistic it is. I love the shade of pink on it, so cute. So as you can see, it has on the highest and the lowest, as you can see, and I love it. So as you can see, this is the charger cord it comes with to connect it. But overall, I absolutely love the dust collector. Make sure to stay tuned so that way you guys could see in any of my watching works or any nail removals. Make sure to stay tuned because you will be seeing it. And also, if you guys are interested, I will have a link down below, so make sure to go check that out. If you guys haven't, make sure to use my code so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money when shopping as well with Melody Susie. And also so that way you guys could save some money, because nail products are not cheap, so make sure to go get your hands on it. I believe they also do have a white available, and make sure to check their website so that way you guys can see if it's in stock. But make sure to go with the pink, because I know every girl loves pink, so go and get your hands on it now so that way you guys could be the first ones to get it. So shop with Melody Susie, as well as do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media, as well as any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below as well as throughout this one, so make sure to go check those out. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that you can notified time I upload. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. So I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay tuned for some Watch Me Works, and see you guys in the next one.
I'm feeling like I gotta get away, better know that I don't and I won't ever stop, 'cause you know I gotta win every day.